Have you ever made a beautiful layered dessert or a large family salad, only to realize you don't have a bowl that's big enough, attractive enough to serve in, and practical enough to store leftovers? It's a common kitchen frustration. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Lovyanxue 9-inch glass salad and trifle bowl to see if it's the versatile serving bowl your kitchen has been missing. The Lovyanxue glass salad and trifle bowl is designed for home cooks, bakers, entertainers, and families who want one bowl that can handle everything from meal prep to elegant table presentations. With its large 155-ounce capacity, borosilicate glass construction, and airtight bamboo lid, it aims to replace several different mixing and serving bowls while adding a touch of style to your kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its clean and modern appearance. Unlike traditional plastic mixing bowls, the clear glass instantly makes colorful salads, layered trifles, fresh fruit, and homemade desserts look more appealing. The natural bamboo lid adds a warm, premium touch that pairs nicely with almost any kitchen decor. Because the bowl doesn't have a pedestal, it's also much easier to fit inside a refrigerator without taking up unnecessary vertical space. Build quality feels impressive right from the start. The bowl is made from high borosilicate glass, which is known for handling both hot and cold temperatures much better than standard glass. In everyday use, that means you can confidently move from preparing warm ingredients to refrigerating leftovers without worrying about sudden temperature changes. The thick glass feels sturdy in your hands while still maintaining an elegant appearance suitable for serving guests during holidays or special occasions. One feature that makes this bowl especially practical is the included bamboo lid. Instead of transferring leftovers into another container, you simply place the lid on top and store the bowl directly in the refrigerator. The leak-resistant seal helps keep food fresh, while the built-in handle makes opening and closing the lid quick and convenient. It's a small detail, but one that becomes surprisingly useful during everyday meal prep and family dinners. Performance is where this bowl really proves its versatility. The generous 155-ounce capacity easily accommodates large salads, pasta dishes, bread dough, layered desserts, fruit salads, popcorn, punch ingredients, or even cake batter for baking projects. If you regularly cook for family gatherings or enjoy hosting friends, having one large bowl that handles multiple tasks helps reduce clutter and saves time. Instead of switching between several smaller bowls, everything can often be prepared, served, and stored in one container. Cleaning is equally straightforward. The smooth glass surface doesn't absorb food odors or stains, making cleanup much easier after serving colorful salads, pasta sauces, or desserts. The bowl itself is microwave, dishwasher, oven, and refrigerator safe, adding flexibility for everyday cooking. The bamboo lid does require a little extra care, and hand washing is generally the better option if you want to preserve its natural finish over time. Like any product, though, there are a few trade-offs. Because it's made from thick glass, the bowl is naturally heavier than plastic alternatives, especially when filled with food. While borosilicate glass is highly durable, it still deserves careful handling to avoid accidental drops. The bamboo lid also isn't designed for microwave or oven use, so you'll need to remove it before heating food. Compared with similarly priced glass serving bowls from brands like Anchor Hocking, Pyrex, or Libby, the Lovyanxue bowl stands out thanks to its large capacity, attractive bamboo lid, and impressive temperature resistance. Many competing bowls either don't include a storage lid or require purchasing one separately, making this package a particularly good value for people who want both functionality and presentation. Overall, the Lovyanxue 9-inch glass salad and trifle bowl is an excellent choice for home bakers, meal preppers, entertainers, and families looking for a stylish all-in-one serving and storage solution. If you frequently prepare large meals or enjoy presenting food beautifully, it's a versatile addition to almost any kitchen. If you'd like to check the latest price or see current availability, you'll find the direct link in the description below. And if this review helped you make a smarter buying decision, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest kitchen product reviews and practical buying guides.